Welcome back to Instabills, everyone. Again, after yesterday's bounce exactly off of our .5 fib, again, a very strong fib that we mentioned. Now continuing on below that level, again, if we were playing to the downside, looking for that possible continuation on lower or that possible short-term bounce was the watch. Again, as our 12 has been crossing below our 26, we could assume that we could have continued on lower. And now with possible support, in my opinion, here on the SPY, we are looking for a possible bounce. The reason why here, guys, as you guys can see, if we are backing all the way up here, if you guys can see here, exactly testing a higher low that we are forming. So we are going to see if we do get that possible bounce here leading into 422, our 0.82 fib. Again, if we continue on lower, going into tomorrow, as we lead into Powell on Thursday, I would assume a possible bounce here at 422. Now, again, reminder that we do have a prior balance that we are testing. Again, the upper end of a prior balance that we did have a continuation and gap up from. So now as we look for that decrease in sell pressure that we have been getting, again, increases in sell pressure from, we want to see that first white shaded line to show that we can possibly continue back higher for that reversal that we would be looking for. Again, Powell will be speaking on Thursday. This will determine exactly how many white shaded lines we do continue with. If after Powell, we do have an increase in sell pressure, it is not deeper than our prior sell pressure point, that could be possible divergence for that possible bounce back if we continue on with white shaded lines after Powell. So again, let's say we get a solid red bar here. We continue on with decreases in white shaded lines. That could be that possible bounce back. Looking for our 12 to cross back above our 26. That would be that digestion after Powell if we did continue on lower. But if Powell, of course, was dovish, we would be looking for that continuation back above 428. That would be the clear and stronger push higher. Now looking at our weekly candle structure, as we look for that possible bounce, as you guys can see here, also testing our 50 weekly moving average just above it, looking for that possible bounce here again with a rejection to the upside. We want to see clearly a close just above and below our prior body's candle to have that strength, of course, back above our 428 level that we're looking for intraday. So again, from here, very cautious to the upside, but very much looking for that possible bullish candle structure from here for that bounce, in my opinion, will be the watch. Now, the reason why we can assume that possible bounce on top of everything I've been mentioning is that we now have our 8 weekly moving average that is still above our 50 weekly moving average that we still would need confirmation on. So again, that digestion, our white shaded lines, exactly how we continue on our MACD, and with our 12 crossing back above our 26 will be that confirmation for swings to possibly get this bounce. And again, that bullish candle structure possibly engulfing exactly at 422 with no bearish candle structure, a false break, and possibly jumping back above 428 would be that gap and possible continuation above 434. That is the watch from here. This is what bulls and bears are looking for. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news as early as you're going to find it, any major volatile mover that you want to be watching, go to instabills.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. And again, all of you Instabills, I appreciate it. If one of you guys continue to take what the market gives us as we have been. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all. I'll see you guys in pre-market.